Chad Hayes.
I'm Brandon Hayes.
We're the owners of Hayes Air Experts. After 25 years of doing air conditioning and really working on every brand there is, whenever we left and started on our own, we wanted to install the best. So I would say what brought us to Air Engineers first was the Train brand, really wanting to put in something that would last, something that we could be proud of and put our names on it. Of course, our company name is our last name. We wanted to install the best in the industry. Air Engineers made it pretty flawless as far as coming on board and selling their equipment. From the counter guys to the warehouse guys, they've really taken care of us very, very well in these first 3 years.
This past July makes 3 years that we've been in business. My brother and I have close to 40 years combined experience service in the area. Our technicians have over 80 years combined experience. We are almost 100% word of mouth. I've been very blessed to be where we're at today. Established businesses or new businesses, can't go wrong with Air Engineers, streamlining you, getting you ready to go with this new world of technology and with the best brand in the business.
Absolutely.